What's up, guys? 2001 Lexus GS430, the car that a lot of people wish that they had back in 01. Got an excess power battery, 2 C7s, custom box, plexiglass, trimmed out in gloss pink. We also added this double din here. Let's turn it on. That way you can see the lights. We got some pink LEDs up in there. Got a white port and it's gloss white. You can see no wires are hanging down. That's how it's supposed to be. And just for the record, this box is right at 2.5 cubes per speaker. It's huge. It was a pain to get in. It's been 5 years since I've had to really work to get an enclosure in. It probably should have been a 1/2 inch, not as tall. But we got it in, no problems. Created a few trim panels to make it look good.